Hello everyone, happy Monday. I just want to show you what the agenda is for today. I'm going to try and upload one of these little videos to explain our assignments each day. So, along with the lesson plan, of course. So for Monday's lesson plan, that's today, the first thing that you're going to be asked to do is to reflect, which means think about. And here's the prompt. What is the best book/piece of writing you ever read? So you are thinking about any kind of thing you've ever read. It can be a picture book, a chapter book, a graphic novel, a comic, an audiobook, a magazine, poem, newspaper, something you read online, whether it's an article, a website, a review, even an ad. It really can be anything you have ever read. I just want you to think about what you most enjoyed reading. And then, in terms of responding, I want you to create a response telling me about the best thing you ever read. So there are 3 prompts that you should answer, and I will be checking to make sure that you've answered all 3 of the prompts. The first one is, why was this the best thing you ever read? Then there's, what did you like about it? Was it the topic or the plot? Was it the pictures, the characters? Did you like that you were listening to it if it was an audiobook? Something like that. And then the third question is, who would you recommend this book or piece of writing to, and why did you pick them to read it? So you could have a specific person in mind that you want to recommend it to, or you could have a type of person in mind. Like, I would recommend this to anyone who likes reading graphic novels, or I would recommend this to anyone who likes learning about dragons. Something that's a generalization, or you can say, hey, I know that Susie really likes this, so I want to recommend it to her. So that's all that you're doing, and then once you finish writing that, you're submitting your writing to the assignment post that's called What's Worth Reading. So you're either creating a Google Doc and submitting it to that post, or just however, I don't know how it quite looks from your end on Google Classroom, but you're essentially submitting me a document within that assignment post. So that should look like, let me see. On here, there's going to be an assignment post. It's called What's Worth Reading. It has all of the prompts that I just read. So you would go into that and you would submit it through there. And every day I'm going to try and do this little kind of video to help explain our assignments. And I will also attach this lesson plan document every time that I do a welcome to class post each day. So let me know if you have any questions. I will be checking my email throughout the day, or you can, submit a comment within the assignment post itself. But I look forward to hearing from you and seeing what you write.